Good morning, innovation. Today is Monday, September 21st, 2020. Please stand for the Pledge of Allegiance and repeat after me. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Please remain standing for a moment of silence. Scholars, you may be seated. On this day in history in 1937, Great Britain published J.R.R. Tolkien's The Hobbit, which is published first following the quest of home-loving Bilbo Baggins. And in 1989, Colin Powell was the first African American appointed as chairman of the Joint Chiefs of Staff. Our quote of the day comes from Ruth Bader Ginsburg. She says, "Fight for the things that you care about, but do it in a way that will lead others to join you." Rest in peace, Ruth Bader Ginsburg. Important news for the week. What you can expect. Major highlights for Monday is that classes are now 70 minutes long, scholars, so remember to be logged in on time if you're not in person on that day. Also, diagnostic and RenStar reports are going home this week, along with PowerSchool logins, so make sure you know your goals and do your best to hit them. Also, if you are failing one or more classes or have 5 or more absences, get ready to return in person. Phone calls will be made this week letting your families know if you haven't been completing assignments. Also, the Fun Friday celebration will resume this Friday. Shoutouts and shirts will be given, so keep doing your best. We've got quite a few birthdays this week, but especially today, I want to wish a very happy birthday to Tariana Thomas. If you see this 8th grader in her class, please go ahead and wish her a very, very happy birthday. Let's see what's in the cafeteria for breakfast and lunch. Today's breakfast is a cinnamon roll and lunch is a beefsteak cheeseburger with seasoned wedges. Sounds delicious. Our core value of the week is sweating the small stuff. Make sure you double check your work before turning it in. And if your grade is not what you think it should be, ask for feedback and revise it. You learn your best from correcting your mistakes. I want to welcome everybody who has returned in person back into the building, and I literally cannot wait until all our virtual scholars are back in front of us. We miss y'all so very much. All right, innovation, you go ahead and have a fantastic day.